What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, I'm in the top field of my property. We'll see if I can roost a bird this evening. I'm gonna go down here in a minute to the bottom. I'm gonna make this intro short and sweet just because I ain't got a lot of time on my hands to try to roost a bird. It's about 7:10 right now. But long story short, hunted all last weekend, which was the opener, and went from seeing, the weekend before, went from seeing 20, 30 birds to only 10, 15, and no longbeards. So I'm not sure what's going on. I know they're separating. It's getting a little later in the season, and I'm gonna guess to see where they're gonna be roosted. I know they was not roosted in the same spot Saturday and Sunday. They was not roosted on that ridge, so hopefully they push back up to that ridge. If not, I'm gonna set up in a different spot. I got another blind with me, and tomorrow I will be using a breeding hen and a longbeard decoy as well. So hopefully that'll work in my favor. But like I said, I ain't got much time on my hands, so I'm gonna cut this short, a little bit short, and go ahead and make my way down there and see if I can get on a bird. But y'all stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Yesterday, tried to roost a bird, didn't go as planned. Didn't hear nothing at all. Sat out there, plumb till dark, and didn't hear anything. So, guess I'm gonna stick with the same game plan. Just set up in that blind I got, and I got that strutter decoy and a breeding hen, and I also have a feeding hen as well. So kind of set that out, and hopefully, they'll see that. It'll draw it to them. But I don't know, man. I'm just confused on why these birds are acting the way they are. But we'll see what happens today. Hopefully, I can get one or sometime tomorrow. But I don't know. We'll see. So y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Hopefully I can get yet. He's still laying there. I'm just glad I got one, man. He got right off roost, came into that strutter, and that hen, and just, I mean, puffed up. As soon as he did, that's what I'm saying, man. Caden should have been where me to be. We could have doubled up. There was 2 long beards, but things a lot more. That's why I ain't gonna try to spook these birds, but I'm gonna sit here until they get up out of the field, and then I'll show y'all the birds. So y'all stay tuned.
Alright, so we got it done. I just got out of the field. It's about 9:30 right now. I sat in the field since this morning. I got here about 4:30ish. You know, I didn't want to spook them birds. I got in here pretty early, but this bird came down off roost, and he came down with there was 3 other long beards. It was kind of behind him, but 3 other long beards and a bunch of hens. And you know, he seen that strutter decoy. Thank you, Gavin, for letting me use it. But that strutter decoy and that hen decoy, both of them hen decoys, and man, he puffed up and he didn't know what to do. But you know, I'm really thankful and blessed to have the opportunity to kill these birds like this. Really good meat. And you know, something cool about this bird, I'll show y'all up close here in a minute, but it's actually double spurred on both feet. So it's got 2 spurs on both feet. So it has 4 spurs in total, which I thought was really cool. But one of its spurs, its shell came off, so I mean, we ain't got it. I can measure the other one, but I'm gonna say it's about 10 and a half, 11-inch beard. That's what I'm gonna guess. It's probably about 3 years old. The bird's probably gonna be about 3 years old. It's an older bird. It's a dominant bird. I could tell because it's pushing them other birds away. But you know, I'm really thankful for this bird, and thankful to have the opportunity to come out here and hunt. Me and Caden will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be Saturday, so we'll be back tomorrow morning and see if we can get him on a bird. But you know, y'all stay tuned for that, and y'all will like this video and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. It helps out a lot. But y'all stay tuned for these upcoming videos.